Hi everyone, this is Deanna the Organized Miss, and I've got some happy mail. And by happy mail, I mean things I purchased that I've been piling up over there and I just want to get into, but I want to make a video. So let's see, let's just start with, I know these kind of came together because I took them out of their envelope. So this was from Stickii Ink, and this is a B6 Slim. So now I got the B6 Slim to see what I was gonna, it's just the grid notebook, to see what I was gonna think about it, because I'm currently using the B6 Common Planner, and I was like, you know, would I want to try the B6 next year? So I got this one, the Slim, just to try it out before the launch. Let's see, the first round of them is this weekend, because I just really do love using this one. And I thought, you know, do I need to shrink my size? Because I don't use all of it. I do like the roominess of this, but even then I don't use it all, you know. And I use my Hobonichi Weeks. Well, Hobonichi Weeks. I'm using a Stickii Ink into horizontal, which is the week size for my everyday carry, which I plan to. My thoughts were either to go ahead and get another in 2 weeks, which it works perfect for me for an everyday carry, or move into a B6 Slim, and of course it would be my everything. Like maybe I wouldn't need both. So that's sort of what I was thinking. So that's why I got this. I don't know, I haven't tested out yet, but I guess I need to do that because, again, they launch what, Sunday? Wait, tomorrow? No, Sunday. What day is it? I don't even know anymore. It is Friday here, so they launch Sunday morning. So we'll see. That means I got to get out and draw on some practice. But the thing is, my B6 currently, I have it vertical, and my everyday carry, I do horizontal. So that would be the next big decision. Do I vertical or horizontal? I don't know, but I got it. Nonetheless, it can just be a notebook. And then I ordered some, you know, just some things. Let's see, what did I get? Because I no longer remember. I got this beautiful vellum. It looks gorgeous for fall. I must have it upside down, don't I? Beautiful. Okay, I love it. Love it, love it. Now, there were some things I wanted that just were not available. So, I was not able to, it's like, you know, I guess they were sold out, maybe. Well, I just love these little cards she sends us. Thank you, Catherine. They're so sweet. So, oh, this must be a freebie. Look at that. So beautiful. I love this. And then I just love the postage stamps. I just think they're so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. And then I got some bigger, you know, for like the corners or whatever. So that is for my Stickii Ink order. Let's see, what else did I get in the mail? This one. Oh, this is my Coffee Monster Co. order. All this down in there? Yeah. So, Coffee Monster Co. order. Oh, cute. Again, I don't remember what I ordered, but whatever it was, I felt like I had to have it, right? This is adorable. This is going to have to either go in my junk journal, or you know what you could do with it, and by you I mean me, is cut it open and laminate this front piece, and it can be a pencil board. I could probably laminate the whole thing, and then it could be a little pocket for stickers. Ooh, I might do that. Okay. Cute. These must be little freebies. I don't remember ordering them, but they're so cute. Oh, I love it. I love them. Let's see, what else do we get? Oh, the everything. This is so cute. Okay, I love this. All right, what did I get? Should Helen make more? Yes, she should. I got the little Chloe girls because I have blonde hair. Let's see. Is that in frame? Focus? Cute. Let's see, what else did I get? Grocery emojis, yes, because, you know, gotta shop. Might as well make it fun. Same that goes with exercising. My goodness, I love these little, look at that. So cute. Headache emojis. I'm about out of the ones that I have. Oh, cute. Breaking news. I'm a journalist. I write for a local paper. That's kind of fun. I thought I could use those for like my deadlines. Low battery. Yeah, those are cute. Little prescription. Remind me to refill when necessary. Laundry. Come on. Yep. Ready for fall. It's actually was kind of cool today. First, kind of really, well, maybe the second really feeling like fall. It's going to get hot again this weekend. Syringe. So these would be for my injections. Cute. Oh yeah, I just thought these were cute. Little anniversary sampler. Little samplers, so cute. Phone call, yes. Oh, little sewing emojis. How cute. Film. Those can be used for work. I'm also a filmmaker and video multimedia journalist, so that could be for filming days. Weightlifting, yes. Yeah, again, another deadline emoji for work. And trash, because we gotta do trash. And another little card. Oh, new bean card. So cute. Thank you so much, Helen. I just am loving them. This is so cute. Come on. I love it. Okay, let's put these with this right here. And what else did I get? Oh, my sticky order. So I've been getting this order for a while. I stopped it for a while and then I started it back up again, you know, because sometimes they just send you a lot of things and maybe I don't use them all. I have quite a collection, so I really need to encourage myself to start using them. So I get the vintage kit. They have the retro, the pop, and the, oh, is vintage the same as retro? They have 3 kits. I'm sorry, I don't remember what they are, but I get the vintage looking one, or retro, whatever that's called. Now see, to me, this is moving towards more modern style, but sometimes there's some in there that I'm like, these don't, how do they qualify for retro? You know, but they're still fun. Oh, those are cute. Day date stickers. Stamps, so cute. Huh. Fun. Oh, I like this. Very cool for back to school time. Oh, I just bought a desk today. That's fun. I totally needed a new desk. I mean, I'm going to keep this one, but it's going to go over there. Keep my typewriter on it and my sewing machines. And cute. Okay, so every order every sticky order, no matter what kit you get, comes with this little sleeve. And then they have books that you can, you know, planner books or sticker books, whatever these are called. I have my own A5 and I put them in there, or I've made a little cover for that. Anyway, you have the stickers back here, and then up in this little pocket, there's a stamp. That's cute. And sometimes they're stamps, sometimes they're smaller little sticker flakes, or they've been like paper clips. This is a little sticker that you can put on the corner here to indicate the kit, so when you're flipping through them. And then this looks like a little notepad, so sometimes they have notes in here, sometimes little postcards, but some form of little note card in there. So that was my this month's sticky kit, so that's fun. So I'm now going to, actually what I have to do before I can play with all the things is I need to organize, because if you could see what I'm looking at just out of frame is a mess. So maybe I'll turn the camera on this weekend and just do a little organize with me video. But anyway, thanks for letting me share my little sticker haul with you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.